Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Chandis YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how Nifty performed today, and there was a bearish candle on the chart today, whether Nifty is going to drop down any further, and how is Bank Nifty going to perform, and also what are the global cues indicating, and with some breakout stocks. So but before that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and share it with your friends, and please do join our Telegram channel where we are posting instant news updates and also breakout stocks. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is the Nifty Daily Chart, and as you can see today there was a bearish candle on the chart today. This resistance zone was acting as a good resistance before, and I have been mentioning this throughout my videos, and I thought yesterday it has been broken with a good gap up, and the market sustained that zone. But today, to my surprise, we open a little bit gap down, and also this zone has been broken down. But still, I'm not looking anything bearish on Nifty, because there was a small support at around 17,450, which I may draw it like this here. Uh, Previously, it has taken about 2-3 small supports here, and also there was a morning star pattern formed at this region. So anything at 17,450 to 17,465 is going to be a good support. And also yesterday's global market was mixed actually. Nasdaq was in green, and European markets were flat, but SGX Nifty indicated a small gap down. And exactly what XGX Nifty has indicated, that has been happened, and we fell today even though the US markets were higher. And let's now switch to Bank Nifty. If you see, this is kind of a bearish candle, but that is not strong enough in my opinion. As you can see, there was only a small candle, and between the high and low it was about only 600 points throughout the day. Also there was a fall of about 325 points. I'm not seeing anything bearish here, even though if it is going to fall, this 38,375 range may act as a good support, and we may consider that as a retest, and then from here it may bounce back. Like if it is coming down here, it may touch this and then it may go up. So I'm not bearish on either Bank Nifty or Nifty, but still I'm considering it to be a good retest. So let's now switch it to Nasdaq's chart, and this was the candle yesterday. It has been formed, and kind of a hammer candle, but it is near the support zone, so nothing to panic. Today, even if it is falling also, this support line is going to act as a good support, and I'll extend the chart. As you can see, it has been supported 1 2 3 4 5, and it is now near the zone for the sixth time. So I think this support of about $14,200 is going to be a good one, and if Nasdaq touches here, it may bounce back from there. So, but oppositely, the Dow Jones future of US stock market has been formed up with the green candle yesterday, and as you can see, for the past 4 days, it has been on a good rising trend. Yesterday also, it shot up about $224, and it was indicating a good bullish momentum. So the Nasdaq index is in support zone, and Dow Jones is looking bullish. We don't have to worry about anything. So let's now switch to the breakout stocks. The first stock is Reliance Infrastructure, and as you can see, it has made a breakout today, but this stock is quite uncertain. It falls like anything, and then it shot ups like anything. Today it has hit the upper circuit. So anyway, we have to wait and watch. If there is a chance to enter enter with the minimum amount, and I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm making it sure again, please do your own analysis before investing. So the next breakout stock is Vedanta Limited. Vedanta Limited kind of given a breakout today, but still it has fallen from there. So if you see, this is the long term trend, and there was a falling wedge pattern in the short term, and as you can see, once it touched this trend line, it came back down. Still it is inside the long term bottom trend line, so we may don't have to worry about we may have a small candle tomorrow, and maybe on Monday we can have a good breakout. So if there is a chance to enter, you can enter in this stock, and I'm looking forward for entering this stock. So still there is a long term trend line which is more than that, so I'll switch it there to monthly time frame. So this is a small trend line in monthly time frame, so anywhere it is touching around here would be around 400 420 point. So the next stock is Bombay Dyeing. Yesterday I have posted this stock in the video, and I have mentioned that if there is a breakout tomorrow we may enter. So it has given a breakout today, and as you can see, the volume is also too good, and it has been on the rising trend for past 4-5 days in the volume section. So but still there is a small wick, so I'm expecting it to have a small retest, like anything like this and this, but if this high is broken tomorrow, I may enter long in this stock. So the next stock is Coromandel International, and I have posted a shorts and Insta reels about this stock. I'll switch it to weekly time frame, and as you can see, it has been in the consolidation zone for almost 7-8 months, and then from a short term trend, it is given a breakout today. The breakout is looking strong enough, but still there is a small wick, that is maybe due to the Nifty bearishness in the last 1 or 1.5 hours. So if there is a good chance to enter here, I will enter in this stock. And the next stock is NMDC. NMDC kind of broken out 2 days back, but still the volume was not good, so I have not mentioned in the video. Yesterday and today's volume were too good that continuously for the 3 trading sessions the volume is increasing in a good trend. So anything, if there is any chance of retracement here around 147 or 148 range, I'll enter, but still now also I may enter with a minimal amount because the stop loss is huge. If there is a chance to enter around 148 or 147, I'll go on what I have decided to go. So the last stock is Himadri Specialty. I'll switch this stock to weekly time frame, and as you can see, there was a good consolidation in this stock for about 1.5 years or something like that, and then this week it has given a breakout today. I'm speaking about the weekly time frame. So tomorrow one day is there to close. So tomorrow also, if there is a good run in this stock, I will enter this stock for definitely. This stock is going to have a good run because the time frame is weekly, and once the weekly time frame is broken, it is going to have a long run. Anything about 90 or 100 would be good. The stock is now in 66 range, so we may have at least 50% to 60% return in this stock. So that's it for the video, guys. Please do make sure you are liking this video, share it with your friends, also subscribe to the channel. Please do make sure that you are joining the Telegram channel too, where we are posting everything. Thank you.